Hey there everyone, it's Ravindra Devrani back with another video, and we are continuing the C# tutorial series. And in this video we are going to discuss about properties in C#. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed this channel, please hit that subscribe button also. So let's talk about what is properties. Properties are the member of the class that is used to access the data. It is useful to provide validation logic to its class. It is how we define a property. So we will move to the code editor here, and let's define a public class, and let's name it person. I think person has already, we have the person, so what should be a name? Let's name it to product. So it will be our class product, and we will have this name, this member, public int public string name of the product, and int double price. So first of all, let's see what I want to show you. So first of all, we are going to create an object of this product equals to new product. So why do we need properties? First of all, why we are not using these members, I'm gonna tell you. So if you write here product dot name equals to, let's say, Mac book here, and product dot price equals to, let's give it any random values, and let's give it this. Okay, and create a method here. Okay, we will display it here, console dot write line, and here product dot name product dot price. Fine. So let's run this program. So it is the output, and it is what we have expected. If we type here 1500 minus 1500, let's see. So it is accepting the value 1500, and it is a negative value. And here we are doing this wrong thing. We are entering the negative value, and you do not want it in actual projects. You do not want that user will enter, or any admin which is entering the price will enter this negative value. So you cannot prohibit it from here like this. And if you want to prohibit it, what we can do here, private, we can declare it private, fine, and we will create some accessor method. So we will create a getter and setter method. That is the old way of doing this thing. So we will create public void set name, it will string name, this dot name equals to name. So how? Okay, set name, and we will have another set price, fine, and here int double price equals to price, and we can check it here that okay, but we need to define a get method also. A public void, it will be public string get name it will return this dot name. We will do same with set price. So it will be get price, it will be double type, return this dot price, and we can apply a validation logic here. Here set price, if price is less than 0, then we can throw an error. We can just throw an error here. So we will write here throw new exception, price can't be negative. So that's fine. Now we will do it from here, product, fine. So if we write here product dot and set price, okay, and if we write here 15,000, product dot get price, let's comment this thing and let's run this program. So here it is as expected, and let's try to enter negative value here and let's run it again. So now it is throwing an error, price cannot be negative, and we can handle this error and we will talk about it in the future tutorials. So it is how we can avoid this situation, but it is a lengthy situation. To avoid this lengthy situation, C# has introduced properties, and we can do the same with properties. So if we write here prop and prop, if I write here prop full, so it will give me a full property. So we will do for the price here only, and it will be double, it will be capital P. So that is the naming convention for defining properties. The first letter should be capital. It is the naming convention, though it is not a mandatory thing. It will return this dot price, fine, my set, and set price equals to value. Okay, so let's try to access it from here. So if we write it here product dot set price, product dot price equals to, let's enter here 100, that's fine, and we can write here product dot price. So it is how it is done with properties. Now we can enter validation logic here also in the set region. If we write here if value is less than 0, then throw new exception, can't accept 0, negative value. Okay, so let's run it, let's see is it working or not. So let's try to enter negative value here, dot price, let's see. Now it has thrown an error. Now you cannot enter the negative value. So it is the way of dealing this problem. It is the property way of dealing this problem. So that's why C# has introduced properties, and it was the older way of defining properties. Now what C# is saying that you do not even need to declare these private members. Declare the auto generated property like this. If we type here prop and double tap, it will create property for us. Now we will write here public int price, okay, and public string name. So these are called auto implemented properties in C#, and these works same. So that was all about properties in C# and how to use them, why do we use them, why do we need them. That's it for now. We will catch up in next video.